Fixing potholes with cold tar starts with gathering the right materials and preparing the surface properly so the repair bonds and lasts. Begin by cleaning the pothole thoroughly with a stiff broom and removing any loose debris and vegetation. Use a chisel and hammer to cut away undermined or crumbling edges so the cold tar sits on solid material. For deep holes, place a coarse stone chip to fill the bottom so the cold tar does not sink and to provide structural support. Don thick rubber gloves and gum boots before handling the cold tar mix and shape the material using a tamping tool or stamper, compacting in thin layers until the patch is level with the surrounding pavement. Work the cold tar slightly over the edge of the hole and compact again to seal against water intrusion. Water is the main enemy of longevity, so ensure there is no standing water before starting. If the patch will receive traffic quickly, compact more aggressively and allow it to settle under weight, checking for low spots to top up. For cleanup, keep mineral spirits or manufacturer recommended cleaner for tools and dispose of any leftover product following local regulations. Common errors include failing to remove loose material, which causes the new tar to delaminate, so always chisel and brush until the substrate is solid and dust-free. Another frequent issue is underfilling deep holes, which leads to quick collapse, so add a stone chip layer and compact in stages so the final surface is stable. A third problem is poor compaction, which lets water and air enter the repair. So use a heavy stamper and compact in thin lifts, finishing with a slight crown to shed water. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical DIY guidance related to projects like pothole repair. Our site also helps contractors find work, and we host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from other homeowners and tradespeople.